At Lucintel, we have done significant research into the dope-dyed yarn market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the dope-dyed yarn market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews throughout the value chain of this market to develop these insights. Now before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of market strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, due diligence, value chain analysis, and M&A around the world. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the dynamics at work and opportunities in play in this particular market. To summarize, we see the opportunity for dope-dyed yarn as being interesting. For example, the market is projected to reach $14.6 billion in value by 2025, and that represents a compound annual growth rate of 4.8%, slightly ahead of GDP. Dope-dyed yarn opportunities have evolved over a number of stages to the more traditional dyeing methods to the current dope dyeing used today. Currently, imaging sensors is the largest market by technology, whereas blind spot detection is the largest by application type. In terms of regions, the Asia Pacific offers the largest opportunity for dope-dyed yarn, followed by North America, and finally by Europe. If you look into the value chain, you see that the ecosystem for dope-dyed yarn is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the key drivers and emerging trends that we're seeing in this market. Some of the major drivers include growing usage of polyester and increasing demand from the textile industry. Some of the challenges include difficulty meeting large size and design needs. In terms of the emerging trends, we see bio-based and recycled dope-dyed yarn and development in various color options as being significant trends in this market. Now, as you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, opportunities, and challenges throughout the value chain. In order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could develop better capabilities in bio-based and recyclable dope-dyed yarn. Now, these insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the dope-dyed yarn market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market? Or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the dope-dyed yarn market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video.